Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar again, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar, the euro yen monthly, I think it's very, very clear this is a 1-2, and we're still in a wave 3. We don't have a fib bounce. We don't really have any other reason to think this is over. I would definitely expect it to at least go to the 100% and maybe even higher than that. Trend is definitely still up. Going down to the weekly for the exact same reasons, the trend is still up. No Fibonacci bounce, no breaker structure down, no lower high. Definitely telling us to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, now we do have a little bit of that 3, 4, 5 shape right here. So if it does end up turning back down and breaking structure, then at that point you could at least say that this trend is over. But most likely, if this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3, which it looks like it is, then most likely it's actually way too small to be a complete 1, 2, 3, which tells me that it probably is more likely that it will just keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, every single higher time frame, including the 4 hour time frame and up, is telling us that we're in an uptrend, which tells me that I am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. Now, if it goes down, if it breaks structure, then yeah, definitely start looking for shorts. But otherwise, I would definitely continue to look for longs. There's probably a pretty good chance that it will continue to make them higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I actually went long way back here. And this is a trade that I did provide to my group at the time of entry. And that was a very nice trade today, especially for a Monday. Now, like I said, I am buy only on the yen pairs. The monthly is in an uptrend, the weekly is in an uptrend, the daily is in an uptrend, the 4 hours in an uptrend. When every single higher time frame is telling you that it's in an uptrend and you have no business going looking for shorts, I would be doing nothing but looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Most likely, still all part of a big wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, like the one that I provided to my group today, and access to my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.